Hello friends, Flaum here for Dress It Up Buttons. Today with a Christmas wood sign. The supplies here are simple. You're either going to need some stickers or a custom vinyl sticker like I've made here, or alphabet stickers and make your own words, whatever you've got, a wood sign, and of course your Dress It Up buttons. I have the Santa and Mrs. Claus set, and I'm going to make this cute little wood plaque, and it's going to go on a shelf, so it's not going to need to be hung. However, you can add ribbon trim or something to hang it from, a hook on the back, something else if you would like. Now, the first step is if you want to paint this at all, go ahead and get it painted. I'm just going to add a little bit of white paint and maybe a little bit of green paint on the edges. And depending on how things look, I might do kind of a light wash or a light layer of paint across the very top as well. This step can be, you can do very precise like you see me doing here, or you could just do a quick swipe of acrylic paint across. The only other supply you will need is some liquid adhesive for this project, other than what we've already talked about. Now, once it is all painted, and you can see I started neatly, and then I decided to smear some things around, a little bit of green paint there, and play with it, let it completely dry. And then I'm going to get out some transfer material since I'm using a vinyl sticker. This is the best way to transfer it. That way it transfers very smoothly. However, it'll depend on what kind of stickers, letter stickers. You could use a ruler with your letter stickers. If you would like to make sure that things are nice and straight, that's always a great way to do it. Now the fun really begins. We do the embellishing. So Santa and Mrs. Claus, they're so cute. We're going to figure out where we want them placed, and we haven't forgotten our reindeer friend or any of our little buttons from Dress It Up, the little micro hearts. We've got some flowers, some rounds. We'll use a couple different things, but first, the key players. So getting Santa in position, and I'm going to get Mrs. Claus in position as well, and I'm removing the shank, so that is what the shank part of the button just needs to be removed. And then you could either individually glue everything on, or if you are going to do a bunch of little things, sometimes it's good to put just like a thinner or a medium layer of liquid adhesive over everything. Now, because I have that sticker, I decided, you know what, we're going to lift everybody up and just take a paintbrush and put a layer of this sealant / adhesive down so that everybody is really stuck well, including all of our letters. And that is one option, certainly, or you can just individually glue buttons down. I've got my reindeer, and you just saw me snipping the shank of that one so that I can place it. I'm going to place it center bottom, and then I'm going to fill in with buttons. Now, the micro hearts, those are my personal favorites, and we're going to be placing those all around. However, first, and as I get him all set, we've got our little reindeer friend here at the bottom. There's a lot of options here. You can do a lot of different things. I personally really love how the different little buttons that Dress It Up makes really accent and bring so much to my project and help really just tell the story, help customize things, and they support those bigger themed buttons. Now, I am placing my flowers there where I would like them, and then I'm going to use the hearts as filler. They're the smallest. I just decided I really liked how those little red micro hearts looked and what they add to this project. I mean, it's all about Christmas and Mr. and Mrs. Claus and so much love. So just placing these, and then here's the hardest part. We need to wait for it to dry. It is that simple. This little sign could go up on a shelf. It could hang on a wall. It could go all over the place in your Christmas decor, and I hope you've enjoyed this quick and easy project tutorial. You can find all of these buttons and all of our Colors of the World buttons, as well as all of the Dress It Up Christmas buttons on the Dress It Up website. Thank you so much for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe for more videos and inspiration.